What's up, guys? B Rob here, and today I'm going to review this Insane Labs I Am God pre workout. I'll be right back. All right, so here I have it, the Insane Labs I Am God pre workout. And this flavor right here is Thou Shalt Not Covet, which really is more of like an orange flavor, if I have to guess. And so before I begin, get into this review, I do want to tell you, I got a little disclaimer I got to share with you. So my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to use this product. It is me sharing my personal experience with you. And my recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural as you can. But if you decide to use supplements, please consult with your physician or your doctor as necessary and follow the directions on the label if you do decide to use it. All right, so now back to this. So what was I looking for when I found this product, when I saw it? So this was a gift to me, and let me just clarify that this was a gift that was given to me by a family member, not by the company. And I don't, no company sends me stuff, so this is my personal. So they don't own me, in other words, right? So I'm giving you my own personal experience. So this was gifted to me. So what attracted me to it? It was gifted to me, so, and it's a pre-workout, and of course I do these reviews for you guys, so I was excited about that, and I did go and read the labels and all that good stuff, which I'll get into a little bit more here. So how much did I pay for this? So of course it was gifted to me, so I didn't pay anything, but I will tell you this. I did look it up, so you can get this, I think on Amazon it was like $39.99, and then Walmart.com had it for like $29.99, and it looked like it was still in stock, but I mean, I don't know. So those are the two places where I saw it, and of course from the Insane Labs website you can buy it, and so those are the places where I looked. So I do have video of me. I work out in the mornings, as you guys probably already know if you've seen some of these reviews, and so I actually took this in the morning, and I have some video of me taking this before my workout in the morning, so you can see that video, and that's me, mixing it and all that good stuff. So, what are the three best qualities of this that I experienced with the product? So, I will say number one is I could feel it kick in. And again, I work out in the mornings, and usually when I do that, I don't eat heavily because it's like 5:30 in the morning. So, I'll have a banana and then my pre workout, right? So, I felt it kick in, and I it was something else. So it did kick in. The taste was pretty good, and again, it tastes more like an orange flavor. Of course, it's called "Thou Shalt Not Covet," so it doesn't really tell you exactly. At least I can't find exactly what that means as far as something that the general population could identify with, but it was more like an orange. And so, so number one was I could feel it kick in. Number two was it tastes pretty good. It was really good. I thought to be a pre-workout. Number three is even a half scoop was sufficient for me for a few of my workouts. Now, when I first tried this, and a few times after, I tried one whole scoop, and so that I'll tell you why here. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get to the three downsides, and I'll tell you why I went to half a scoop. So number one and again, this is my personal experience, and I think you guys are here to hear that, right? So I'm going to be totally honest with you. For me personally, I'm 6'5", 300 pounds. It made me jittery, and I am a little sensitive to caffeine, but this really made me jittery, and so I took it back down to a half scoop just to see, and I felt better after having it, but I could feel it kick in, and it made me jittery, and it made me a little, I don't know, I was a little uneasy with it, but you might have, and that's me early in the morning with nothing but a banana and the pre-workout. So, I mean, but it's my experience. So number one, I didn't kind of that was a downside for me. It was made me jittery. Number two is there's a warning on here that tells you do not take this for more than 8 weeks. And so, some of you smarty guys out there probably know why. And the print's really small on that too, right? But don't take more than 8 weeks. And so I was like, well, I mean, I don't know. So you got to start counting, right? And it's 25 servings in here. So if you work out 5 times a day and you take one of these each day, one a day, then you have 5 weeks, right? So you actually can buy another one, but you can only take it for 3 more weeks after that before you hit your 8 weeks and you can't take it anymore. So I just thought that was, that for me, that's a downside for you, but I'm glad they put it on there. They have a reason for that. And so it's under their warning. So, so don't take more than 8 weeks. I thought that was a downside. Number 3 is I just don't like, you might think it's petty, and that's fine if you do, but hopefully you still give me a thumbs up because I'm sharing my honest opinion with you. But I really don't like the name. I just don't like I am God. I don't like that. And I don't like thou shalt not covet as the flavor. I understand they're being creative with it. And Insane Labz, I don't know a whole lot about them, but I'm assuming that, I do know they have some other products with, with some very creative names. So I just don't like this I am God as a pre-workout. And it did catch my attention, of course, when it was given to me. I'm like, oh, and it says God-like pre-workout powerhouse with Amp Iberry. So Ampaberry, I guess is what it. So that's right there. That's a little tagline right there. Yeah, I don't know. They do say here focus, energy, focus, endurance, and power. See it right there? Yep. So, I understand it's part of the name. I just don't like it, but that's just me. And then the naming of the flavors. Like, what flavor is it? Thou shalt not covet. Is it orange or what is it? I like stuff to be a little more, it's a pre-workout, So anyways, how do I rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this an 8. So it is, for me, it tastes good. It does give you, it does give you a lot of energy. I could sense the focus and the power and endurance, but I had, for some reason, the few times I tried the 1 scoop, it was a little too much for me. But I tell you what, if I have to go half a scoop on that, then that makes that 25 days last a whole lot longer, right? So, and maybe I will get to the 8 weeks that way. I'm not going to do math here in public, but maybe that's the way to do it, right? Is to offer 1 container. So I give it an 8. I think it's a good product, and so I'm glad it was given to me. It does have creatine in it also, so I want to let you know about that. And it definitely does have a lot of, it has a lot of other stuff that they, a lot of things that give you a kick. So it's there. So hopefully this review helped you. Forgot one more. How can you use this? Of course, it's a pre-workout. They don't really list anything else, like the Legends Ghost said that you could use it for, going out and just having that energy for that and all kinds of other stuff. This says, it's a pre-workout. I would just use it for that. For me, that's what I plan on just using it for. I will say that every now and then I have, even while I was putting my notes together for this, I will, do something like that. It's pretty good. I don't do it twice. I don't double dip I gotta go wash my fingernail. So, but anyways, hopefully this review helped you. Please follow me on social media, on Instagram at thisis_BRob. Catch me out there, but also go check out my website, thisisbrob.com. Got a new podcast I just released. Actually, I released it in, I guess it's been 3 months now, but it's called Elevate the Great. Go check me out there. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.